up, y'all? This is T. Marie for Buzz TV, and I'm sitting here with publisher and author Ty Allen Jackson of Big Head Books. What's up, Ty?
How are you, T. Marie?
Good.
Yes.
If you can just give our readers a little bit of background of Big Head Books, how it got started, and how Danny Dollar was born, which is your first book.
Sure. The name really came about very simply. My youngest son, my only son, let me rephrase that, my only son
Okay.
would tease my youngest daughter, calling her a big head. You have a big head.
I think we've all been called that.
Yeah, we've all been called that. But my daughter, instead of moping around about it, she's like, well, that means I have a big brain and I'm smarter than you. And I love that concept of my daughter taking what was a negative as an insult and making it into a positive. So that impacted me greatly, just thinking about the same drive I want our children to have out there by taking all the negative things that they see out there and turning it around and making it into a positive. So Danny Dollar was started because one day my son asked me a very simple question. And he said, Dad, I would like to open up a lemonade stand. So we went out on the corner and I got a sign that said 75 cents for lemonade. And in 3 hours we made $50, which was a tremendous amount of money. I was completely blown away by that. So I went to the bookstore to see if I could find a book to teach my son about entrepreneurship and investing, because I didn't want him to spend his $50 all on bubble gum.
Yeah.
So I couldn't find a book that really spoke to kids about entrepreneurship and finance, and I certainly couldn't find one depicting a child of color on the cover. So I decided to create one myself, and that's kind of how Danny Dollar was born.
And speaking of Danny Dollar, I know that Danny Dollar has partnered with Boston Lemonade Day, which is coming up this May.
Yes.
May 17th.
The celebration is May 17th. The actual Lemonade Day performance where the kids go out, and there'll be 300 lemonade stands across the city of Boston with 2,000 children participating. The celebration for that will be on May 17th. I'm proud to say that all 2,000 kids, as per Google for Entrepreneurs, got a copy of Danny Dollar in their backpacks, along with some other Danny Dollar paraphernalia. So it's really a very cool and a very big moment for Big Head Books to partner with Google to teach entrepreneurship and finance to the children of Boston.
Now, can you let our readers know how can they find out more information about Boston Lemonade Day?
Sure, absolutely. You can either go to my site, which is bigheadbooks.com, or you can go to lemonadedayboston.com. And both will give you some information about Danny Dollar in addition to the whole project of Lemonade Day.
I know you're creating a huge buzz in the Berkshires, and one of the things that the Berkshire Eagle is doing is a serial story featuring Danny Dollar, which launches next Saturday, the 6th of April.
Yes, it does.
And kind of give us a little information about that.
I will. Very excited about that the Eagle thought enough about doing this. This is the first time they're ever running a serial story. They'll be running my Danny Dollar book for 16 weeks. It starts in the Vermont and North Adams newspapers on Saturday the 6th, and then it'll be in Berkshire Eagle on Sunday the 7th. So it'll be a one-page pullout. Each week there'll be a different chapter of Danny Dollar.
Wow.
Yeah, really exciting. So all of Berkshire County will get a big dose of Danny Dollar at the Lemonade Escapade for the next 16 weeks.
Yeah, I know there's a current campaign that you're working on now,
Yep.
Why I Love to Read,
Yes.
which I think is awesome. And definitely, if you go to bigheadbooks.com, there's a form on there that you can complete
Absolutely.
and join in on the campaign.
Yes.
Okay, how long is it running, or is it kind of ongoing?
Yeah, it's an indefinite campaign. I mean,
Okay.
you know, we're here for the long haul, and with our mission of empowering kids about the importance of reading. Why I Love to Read is a campaign that is going to be around as long as Big Head Books is around. So so we probably have about 50 to 100 participants in the campaign now.
On the Facebook page.
Our plan is to have 1 million within the next year, and we're going to the mayor and the senator, hopefully the governor. You know, maybe we can get the Obamas to express why they love to read too.
Speaking of Obama, I know that you gifted Michelle Obama Big Head Books.
Yes, that is
back in last year?
Last year during the
Okay.
summer when Michelle Obama was here campaigning for her husband, the mayor thought enough of our books and was gracious enough to give our books to Miss Obama as a gift. So that was definitely a huge, huge highlight. And she acknowledged how great the books were, and to think that our books are now in the White House. That's a golf clap.
Most ahead, all right?
It's a golf clap moment.
Okay, now this might be challenging or maybe not. Just to kind of wrap up the interview, you have one word. What would you describe Big Head Books in one word?
Groundbreaking.
And on that note, we're done.